Hello green thumbs and plant lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Are you intrigued by the idea of an indoor water garden? Well, today we have a treat for you. We're revealing the 20 best plants that not only enhance the beauty of your water garden, but are also low maintenance. Let's get planting. Number 1. Mosaic Plant. Kicking off our list is the Mosaic Plant. This unique plant forms a circular rosette of diamond-shaped leaves, creating a living mosaic on your water surface. Ideal for both ponds and aquariums. Number 2. Lucky Bamboo. Want simplicity? Lucky Bamboo is your go-to. This hydroponic hero grows well in just water and adds an elegant touch to any tabletop. Number 3. Water Wisteria. Water Wisteria is a true versatile gem, thriving in both high and low light conditions. Just make sure it gets at least 2 to 3 hours of sunlight daily. Number 4. English Ivy. English Ivy screams sophistication. Put it in a clear glass jar or vase and voila, you have an instant coffee table attraction. Number 5. Hyacinth. For those who crave vibrant blooms, hyacinth is the answer. Keep them in a cool spot with bright indirect light and watch them flourish. Number 6. Miniature Yellow Water Lily. Known as Hevela, this dainty yellow water lily offers cup-shaped blooms and loves areas with partial to full sunlight. Number 7. Perry's Baby Red. The aromatic Perry's Baby Red showcases double red blooms and is perfectly suited for small containers, best when placed in full sunlight. Number 8. Peace Lily. Peace Lily is another low-effort, high-reward plant. Just keep the water fresh and you'll be rewarded with a plant that loves to grow. Number 9. Pothos. Golden pothos is hard to beat when it comes to low-maintenance beauty. Just put it in a glass jar and you're good to go. Number 10. Spider Plant. With Spider Plant, the rule is simple. Keep the leaves above water and place it in bright light. That's it. Number 11. Wandering Jew. Wandering Jew adds a splash of color to your garden with its unique purple and green leaves. Number 12. Coleus. Striking and vibrant, Coleus makes a perfect focal point with its serrated and colorful foliage. Number 13. Sweet Potato Vine. The ornamental sweet potato vine is not just for soil gardens. Try it in your water garden and see it thrive. Number 14. Water Lettuce. Water lettuce offers a floating green oasis on your water surface, ideal for sunny windows. Number 15. Umbrella Grass. Umbrella grass is perfect for those who love height and structure in their gardens. Thrives in bright, indirect light. Number 16. Snake Plant. Talk about hardy. Snake plant's sword-like leaves provide a unique aesthetic, and it's ultra easy to care for. Number 17. Paperwhite. Love flowers? Paperwhite bulbs bloom in just 4 to 5 weeks and are super easy to care for. Number 18. Caladium. With caladium, you get foliage that's as colorful as any flower, perfect for decorative vases or jars. Number 19. Philodendron. Philodendron is both beautiful and adaptable, flourishing in water as easy as it does in soil. Number 20. Chinese Money Plant. Last but certainly not least, the Chinese Money Plant offers round leaves that give a whimsical flair to your water garden. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 20 picks for your indoor water garden. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more top-notch gardening advice. Until next time, happy gardening!